Hello. In this video we are going to talk about how to create a DB adapter connection pool. So what we are going to do is we are going to log in into WebLogic console. We are going to browse through the deployments and choose DB adapter deployment, create an outbound connection pool and attach it to the JNDI that we created in the last video, and then we will update the plan.xml and if possible review the plan.xml that is created on the server. So I'm here now in the WebLogic console, and I as you see here in the last video we created this data source. So and we are just note down this JNDI name, that is JDBC/SOA learning. So now the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to domain structure and click on deployments. So as you see here, there are these are the various deployments that are available as part of the standard Oracle VM that we have installed, and we are currently interested in looking at the DB adapter. Hence, to make it easy, I'm actually clicking on this exclude libraries when displaying deployments, and I click on apply. So now I see a smaller list. As you see here, I see showing 1 to 10 of 73 on the right hand side, and I also see this DB adapter here. So I'll click on this DB adapter. So in the DB adapter we have various subtabs. As you see, overviews, deployment plan, configuration, security, targets, control, testing, monitoring and notes. As of now I'm interested in configuration, and in the configuration I'm actually interested in outbound connection pools. So I click on this groups and instances and I expand this node. Here I am going to create a new outbound connection pool. So I select this connection factory and click on next. So here I'm going to enter the JNDI name that we created in the last video, and I say JDBC/SOA learning here, and so here I clicked on OK, and as you see it came to the save deployment plan assistant. So basically we need to create an it asks for the plan.xml will get updated with this entry, JNDI entry. So I recommend creating a folder on as a custom DB adapter or something like that, which will be easy to manage, because we may need other deployments where we may have to create an plan.xml for some other deployment, like for example EBS adapter or some other adapters. And so it's always a good idea to create a new folder here for the DB adapter and refer it over here. So I'll go back to the terminal now. So I'm in the terminal now, and as you see here there is a path. So let me change my directory. So I'm in this directory now, and so as you see here I'll be creating an directory known as custom DB adapter. I'll give permissions. I just want to keep it straight, so I'm just giving 777. It's my home VM box, so it's okay, but it's normally not recommended to give 777 for these folders. So but it's okay for me. So I created this 777. I gave the permission 777, and now I go to this folder. And obviously I don't have any files here, but I'll copy this folder complete directory structure here, and I'll paste this over here. So what basically I'm trying to tell here is the path of this configuration file will be UO1 app Oracle FMW12 SOA custom DB adapter /plan.xml. So I'll click on OK. So I'm getting a confirmation message here. All changes have been activated, no restarts are necessary, a new deployment plan has been successfully created in this path. So let us go and review this plan.xml in the terminal. As you see here, I see a new file, plan.xml. So you see an entry for this JNDI name that we just now created in this plan.xml, and this is critical for us to be able to use the DB adapter in SOA. So the next video we will in the next videos we will try to connect to a DB adapter and use the same JNDI that we created here now with this outbound connection pool name, and try to access the database objects in the SOA learning schema. Thanks for listening, and we will see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.